reset button. There we go. Gotta get you one of these. So they're good to go. Got some debris in there. Yeah, new guys, you gotta get you one of these disposal tools. It sure beats having to do it with a screwdriver. The resident was home, so I couldn't really get into it, but you saw how easy it was. You just pop it in there, break it free, and move on. I'll leave a link to one of these in the description below, and you can have it ordered and delivered to your house. And this is where you guys will start. You know, you new guys, sometimes I get asked, how do you move up in this business? And you just start out by doing disposal, ceiling fans, and don't wait for anybody to give it to you. Just go in there, look in the work order box, and grab what you're comfortable doing and go do it. That's my story. That's how I moved up. Alright, thank you for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.